Thank you so much, my honorable, respected Chief Justice of Supreme Court, Honorable Suryakant ji, Honorable Justice Bikram Nath ji, J.K. Maheshwari ji, Dipankar Datta ji, Rajesh Bindal ji, Jaimallo Bagchi ji, Minister from the Law Department, Mr. Arjun Ram ji, বিচারপতি মাননীয় বিচারপতি কলকাতা হাইকোর্ট মিস্টার সুজয় পাল, অভিনন্দন আপনাকে। আপনি জাস্ট দায়িত্ব গ্রহণ করেছেন। মাননীয় তপব্রত চক্রবর্তী, মেঘালয় হাইকোর্টের চিফ জাস্টিস, আমার কলকাতা হাইকোর্টের মহামান্য বিচারপতি, আমাদের ট্যান্ডন সাহেব আছেন, উড়িষ্যা হাইকোর্টের চিফ জাস্টিস, এবং আমাদের এখানে আরও চিফ জাস্টিস, মেঘালয়ের চিফ জাস্টিস এখানে উপস্থিত আছেন, সৌমেন সেন, আমার এক্স চিফ জাস্টিস ক্যালকাটা হাইকোর্ট শিবাঙ্গন সাহেব, who requested me so many times for this circuit bench inauguration program. I am grateful always with you. And from Oshim Banerjee to Indira Di to Jyotirmay Bhattacharya to so many important personalities from the judges communities are sitting here. And from my chief secretary to my district magistrate to my special this SP of the district and the state police officials, my law minister Malay Ghatok, Kalyan Banerjee and others, all the sitting judges of Calcutta High Court and the retired judges from different parts of the country from Kolkata High Court, and also my law friends, the brothers and sisters who are practicing the law, and I congratulate the common people who are the commoner, who trust, they have their own trust and confidence with this judiciary system. Let this judiciary of the people, by the people, for the people. Judiciary is the custodian of our constitution. And it is our request on behalf of all of people of this country. There should not be any bar from casteism or creedism or religionism. Let us work together. Let us speak for unity. Let us think for unity. Let us work for unity. Sanjay ji is a very experienced, vast, learned, and very important personalities in our country, and all the Supreme Court judges and High Court judges. You will be happy to know today is a historical day for North Bengal people. It's a big milestone what we are doing today, and people will remember forever. And it is better than even the Calcutta High Court now. This building, who constructed this building, my many congratulations for them. This building, this 40.08 acres prime land has been given for this building. And more than 500 crores are being spent for this building. And also we have 80 residential complex for the judges. And for chief judges, for chief judge, there is a special bungalow is also for him. And there are 6 courts also. And in Bengal, you'll be happy to know, we have already spent, sometimes I quarrel with Dipankar Da, because Dipankar Da always used to tell me, spend money for the court. May I tell you that we have already spent more than 1,200 crores, instead, including this exclusion, this court funding. We have set up 88 fast-track court. Though, my law minister, please don't mind, though Government of India stopped these funds, but we are continuing 88 fast-track court. Out of that 52, it is for women, and 7 POSCO court, and we have 4 labor court, and we have 19 human rights court, and also we have given land to Calcutta High Court, 14 acres of primary land in Rajarhat New Town. There they can set up their new building. And also I gave new complete building to Calcutta High Court for their working capacity. And also they are setting up their academy, the law academy also there in Rajarhat New Town. So there are so many things. And we have already set up our 6th big district judges court newly, and also 8 subdivisional judges court. We are ready to do so many things for the judiciary, because nowadays 3 things are important. Number 1 is judiciary. Of course, number 1 is constitution. Number 2, citizens of this country. Number 3, judiciary. Number 4, the media. My humble regards will be to all of you. Please take care for our new generation. The lawyers, the junior lawyers are struggling. They are not getting their proper benefits. We want to see that they must get their proper benefits. And my request would be to my Chief Justice, to all the judges, that please see, our constitution must be protected from disaster. Our democracy must be protected from the disaster. Our safety, our security, our history, our geography, our boundary, all should be protected. And media should not go for media trial before finalizing any cases. This is nowadays a trend to malign the people. And please see, there are so many agencies are defaming, deliberate attempt to defame. Please protect the people. I am not saying for me. I am saying save democracy, save people, save judiciary, save country, save constitution. We are under your custody. And constitution, you are the guardian of the constitution. You are nobody super than you, the judiciary. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Jai Hind, Jai Bangla.